Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you taking the time to stop by. I appreciate the opportunity to broadcast to you guys in this manner. And right now, this time of the year, we're taking in trades more than we normally would. And I want to get some of those out there for you guys to consider to get your Corvette season started maybe just a little bit earlier. And there's going to be a lot more coming too. So when I get a trade in that I think is very well cared for, is a unique opportunity, maybe a unique color combo, that'll be something from time to time on the channel that I will feature so we can turn that car quickly, but it brings it to your attention. Again, the immediate connection and the participation that we have on the YouTube channel is my main source of communication in addition to my CorvetteConti.com site. So I want to get this stuff out to you guys right away. And you say, oh wow, I'm glad you told me that, because by the time he gets traded in and goes through service, and by the time he actually get pictures taken in the right environment and it gets to the website, I mean, that could be 7 days, 14 days. I'm just be known, I'm not going to just feature a car just to make a deal. Again, it's something that I think, hey, that's a nice car, that's well cared for. I mean, I remember, okay, I didn't intend to go here, but let me just tell the story real quick. I think you guys get a kick out of this. Remember years ago, I worked for a dealership west of Cleveland, and I needed used Corvettes, so I did kind of like a broker thing. I'd have people bring their cars in, I'd inspect them. If there's something that I thought that you, as the retail consumer, would like and appreciate, and again, was a good value, I would put it on my website for free and then sell the car. And that way you don't have, you know, when you sell a car on your own and you get all kinds of idiots coming to the house, I mean, it becomes more of a security issue. And here's another story before the story. One of my buddies who worked at a bank up in Cleveland found out that I was doing this broker program, and he says, you know what, that's a good idea. He goes, I was selling my 65 one time, and I had a guy meet me at the house. And he goes, hang on a second, let me go in the house and grab the keys and I'll be right back. He goes, so he starts walking through the house, and all of a sudden he turns around, he's like, what the hell? The guy's following him in the house. He goes, hey, wait outside, I'll be right there. I mean, freaked him out. So you guys know what I mean. Selling a car on your own sometimes is very difficult. So I did this broker program. So I would see some really nice cars, and I would see some I don't know what word I want to use. I don't want to use that word, sorry. It was a bad one. I saw those too. So anyways, this guy calls me up and says, hey, I understand you got this broker program. I didn't mean this to go this long, but this is just fun talking to you guys, so kick back and relax. So he says, hey, I got this Admiral Blue convertible with a light gray interior. Would you be interested in representing it for me? And so I'm like, Admiral Blue? Great, this was a C4 model, mind you. And I'm like, oh yeah, man, bring it down, let me check it out. So he brings the car in, and I didn't want to hurt the guy's feelings. He brings it in, oh my gosh, light gray interior, mind you, that is probably never been cleaned, and it looked like he'd been to the beach 50 times because there was sand everywhere inside. And then down the sides, he must have had a tight driveway when he pulled into the house, because on both sides of the car, there was like scratches through the door, so he's probably pulling up through some shrubs. Dude, cut your bushes. Destroyed this car. Would have been a really nice car because it had the sport seats and all that. So I look around the car, and I just said, hey, thanks for bringing it down. I apologize. This is not something that my clients are going to be looking for. And he's like, well, no, hey, that's a really nice car. What's the problem? He starts getting an attitude now because I'm not going to represent it. I'm like, no, I'm sorry. I go, there's certain cars, as I told you on the phone, that we're looking for that we won't represent. This one's just not going to work, man. So I'm trying to be nice to him. So he just keeps pounding on me. So finally, the Italian Ricky comes out. And I said, dude, your car's a mess. It's scratched up. The inside's never been cleaned. It's not the car you represented. This is not a car that I can sell. Okay? We understand each other now? Okay, thank you so much. Now, before we talk about the used cars that I want to feature that are not like what that guy brought into me probably 15 years ago, we have a quick viewer mail segment. Thank you so much, you guys. First and foremost, Thomas Rogers, thank you for your check for the winning bid of the tires that we auctioned off right here on the channel. And this check's going to go directly to Wounded Warrior Project, and then we're going to get the tires out to you next week. And our next piece is from Greg Blank in Agora Hills, California. Also has a C8 on order with us. Thank you, sir. Your build week is 3-2. Congratulations. Appreciate the support out there. Always nice talking to you. Might need some glasses for this one. Being that we're just talking about Wounded Warrior Project, I got some Wounded Warrior swag from Greg. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, I love the pins. And these will be proudly displayed in the office, these Wounded Warrior stickers. So a quick note here from Greg. He says, Rick, I think it's great that you're donating money from what you get for the tires to the Wounded Warrior Project. We also donate to this worthy cause, and this past month donated proceeds from our car washes on Veterans Day to the Wounded Warrior Project as well. Look forward to seeing you soon when I take delivery of my C8. So way to go, Greg. So if you're in the Agora Hills area, check out Bliss Car Wash, all right? Bliss Car Wash doing some great things for you guys as consumers and for our veterans. Next piece of viewer mail was actually hand delivered from Dennis here in Ohio. He's got a C8 on order too, and he goes, this is not for you, this is for your wife. All right, little gift card. Hey man, thanks, I appreciate that, Dennis. I know you're excited about your order. And this next piece here looks like a project. I'm sorry, I kind of opened it already. This comes from Vinny in New Jersey. Yeah, well, yeah, buddy. And then inside, looks like they're family police cards for New Jersey. Right here, I guess if I plan on speeding in New Jersey anytime soon, thanks to you, Vinny, this will get me out of trouble, right? No. And dude, I would love to read your letter, but your writing is worse than mine. So I got it in there, Rick, I'm honored, so gooby goo. Dude, thanks, man. I appreciate you watching the channel. Last piece real quick, also from one of our customers who also has a C8 on order, Deb Patrick here in Ohio, was at our reveal here at Coughlin. And just a quick little note, dear Rick, happy belated birthday. Thanks, Deb, I appreciate that. Keep this dollar, you'll never be broke. Walking Liberty is headed down a new road, and so are we. Best wishes, Deb Patrick. Your build week is 420 as it stands now. You know, that may move as we were just talking about. And wrapped up here in this little tissue right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that, you guys. Yes, solid silver. Isn't that cool? Take that home, show my daughter. She'll get a kick out of that. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. That'll be displayed somewhere in here. Deb, thanks again. I appreciate that very much. Just recently, Warren from Corvette Cleveland was here, and his wife Elaine sent down cookies. That, yeah, I had a couple. Gave the rest to Nicole. Thank you so much. They taste great, as they always have for 20 plus years. I appreciate that. And I got this for next Christmas. Thanks, Elaine. I really appreciate that. All right, that was a lot of fun. Thanks again for watching so far, you guys. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes and show you some of our recent Corvette trade-ins that might just be an opportunity for you to stop dreaming and start driving.